bacon is still cooking, and I'm gonna make some pancakes on my new skillet. Yeah, the lights are not on yet. I'm not cutting the lights on until I'm about to cook, so let me go back over here. I got the fireplace going. The tree. Oh, somebody just kicked his blanket off. And our finished product. It is, what is today? Vlogmas day 20. The 20th is a day of December for me, but it's going to be a happy day for what we're about to look at. GiGi's baby Jordans came in. Look how cute. Look how cute. Look at that. Let's do a 360, why don't we? Do y'all see this? This makes no sense. None. That's GiGi baby shoes. Little mini Jordans. Look at this. I love it. I love it. GiGi's baby has his, well, this is the second pair because I bought him another little pair of shoes too about a week ago, 2 weeks ago. Look at that. That is too cute. Yes. GiGi's baby has his first Jordans. His dad, oh, let me show y'all his dad's first Jordans. I don't know if they was the first, but I still have them Jordans. Hold on, let me go get them. Hold on. Okay, look. These are our oldest son's Jordans. I don't know, I'm not gonna say first because I don't remember how far down they was, but this was his Jordans. I don't know. These shoes are 24 or maybe 25 years old. They gotta be about 24 though, because he's 24 now. He probably had these when he was one. So they 24, 25, somewhere around there. So these are either 2001, 2000, yeah, we'll just say 2001. But these are his first Jordans. Well, not first, y'all heard what I just said. I'm over here over talking. But Daddy's Jordans and his was a 6. And look at that. Daddy and now son. Look at this. Wow. It is just wow, y'all. Wow. So my husband, he has them. And now the grandbaby has them. And we're still waiting on my sons to come. So I thought that was so cool. These are Jordan 11 Retros. That's what they are. So he won't be able to wear them till next year. I know, but he has them, so it does not matter. But they're so cute. Okay, bye. Oh no, not bye. Okay, I got something else to show y'all. I have been waiting almost a week and a half. It said it was gonna take almost 2 weeks for this to come. So, hold on, these people are being loud, so. Hold on. They all loud, so I'm going to my office. Okay, I'm back. They all loud. They were outside on the patio. Okay. Any guesses? Like this. Well, oh, I have something different. I think I got a giraffe on the other one. I think. And I got a bag. Yeah. Let me see. Okay. Is this the real gift? This is like the real gift right here. Isn't that cute? Look at that. But what do I have on the other one? Yeah. Okay, so this is, look, no more. This is the one I had on the Kirigami. This is what I have. The giraffe, and it has that, what is it, joyous feet or something, I don't know what it's called. And then this one is, well, I hate it's not the box. I'm gonna tell y'all that now. But that's that one. And then that's that one. So yeah, okay. Let's open it. Like what? This one came from a store. I can't see that because this item was only at certain stores around the US that they had to get it shipped from. So that's what they said when I called to see what's taking so long. I ordered this like a week ago. But let's open it. I did get the ribbon, but I'm thankful. I'm thankful. Let's not get it twisted. I'm thankful. So go there. And then we open it like this, like so. And that's what I got. I got a nano bando. I have not seen anyone on, ooh, some my back itching. No one on YouTube with a nano bando. This is a nano bando. That is so cute. And this one is called, well, it don't have anything. Y'all know it come with the little tag thing on it. What is that? I don't know. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is right there. Is that it? Oh, yeah. It's this one. Y'all can see it. Is it better that way? I don't know if y'all can see it. Okay. Yeah. This is a nano bando. Y'all see that? The whole thing. It's not folded in half or anything. That's a nano. I thought that was so cute. So this is the other item that I've been waiting on to show y'all, a nano bando. I thought that was cute. Let me see. Ugh. I thought that was cute to put on here. Let's see. And y'all see, look at the details on there. It's as if it has diamonds in the LVs, the fleur-de-lis. It's so pretty. It's pretty. And then this side is just the normal LV, and it has the Louis Vuitton at the bottom. So let me see, because I wanted to see how this would look. Let me see. Let me do it this way. If I wrap it around here. Oh no. Oh no. I don't know, I thought it was just cute because it's nano and not like the regular ones because they're a little bigger. Like that. Well, I'm a fix it, y'all, but hold on. That is cute. So, I don't know. I'm gonna fix it, but y'all get the drift. Y'all get the drift. Oh, I just hate that. I have to get me a bigger ring light because this little small one, I don't know where I didn't put the little plug that the wire goes in. So I think Ty or my son didn't took it or something. I don't know. So I'm going to find it. But that's the nano one. It's smaller, so it goes on. I don't know. I just thought it was cute because it's nano. And sometimes the bigger bandos, I think I got 5 or 6 of them. Probably more than that. The ones that I know where they're at, I got about 5 or 6. Ty has been using them as headscarves. So about 4 of them are just in the air. And I know it's about 4 because she'll have them on and they're in her room. And now they have hair, everything on it. So keep them, my girl. Keep them. Keep them. So I told her I'm going to get a lock for my closet because with a fingerprint. Because, and then all she say, well, that's a part of having a girl. No. My mom and dad had 3 girls. I never shared any of my mama's stuff. Nothing. So this is it again, guys. It's super cute. Super cute. I'll put a picture right here of which one that I ordered. And this is it. I can't believe they didn't send me the pretty box. Like, but that's okay. That's okay. I got a bag. Did get a bag, so the bag is gorgeous. But I just cannot believe you sent me an Imperial Saffron box. I guess you could put it in a small little box, but it's okay. I got a bag, so I finally have a bag. We just went over there yesterday. They sent an Imperial Saffron bag. But I got a bag, thank God. Yeah, so it's gorgeous too, y'all. This is something, put this in a frame. Yeah, somebody touch this bag, it's gonna be a problem. It's gonna be on and popping. But that's what I wanted to show you guys. It is day 20. 5 days to go. Come on, 5 days to go. Lord. I'm going to take a little break after that probably. I'm saying that, but probably won't. I don't know. But, yeah. I got me a nano bando, and I think it's cute. Still got to play around with this little Jimmy, but I haven't worn her yet. She's just been sitting in here, but she's not going to just sit in here. No, I'm going to wear her. Right now, GiGi's baby is still small. We're not going outside with all these germs, and every time I go to the store, I hear somebody sneezing and coughing. I run the other way because I don't want to bring anything to my GiGi baby. So, but still just a beautiful work of art. That's what this is to me. A work of art. Look at all this. Like, okay, well, I'm gonna figure out if we getting some Wingstop or not. I don't know. Probably some Wingstop for lunch or something. I don't know. But okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye.